Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. We're talking about ways to add more fruits and vegetables into your diet. And today's focus is planning ahead. This can help you out in a big way. Now, if you know that your time is short during your work week, take some time either during an evening or on your weekend to do a little bit of preparation in advance. Prepare some cut up fruit, prepare some vegetables in advance. For instance, you could take your salad greens, wash them and spin them dry, cut them up whatever way you need to, and put them in a covered container in the refrigerator, and that will help you out. They'll be ready to go when you are. And it is helpful to take, let's say, some paper towels or a cloth or something and line that container with it. That will help to soak up some extra moisture that might be left on the lettuce and still maintain a humid environment. By chopping some fruits and vegetables in advance, it can make meal preparation a lot faster for you during the week. On a day off, you could also make a large pot of soup that's loaded with assorted vegetables. If you can, if the recipe will allow for it, increase the amount of vegetables that the recipe calls for. That'll increase the hearty factor of your soup, but it will also give you more servings of vegetables when you're eating that soup. And then you can pack it up into individual containers and have a grab and go lunch ready for you when you need it during the week. The same thing goes for making a large casserole on an evening or a day off. Increase the vegetables that the recipe calls for if the recipe will allow for that. And then after it's made, divvy it up into individual containers and you'll have a grab and go lunch that way. Something a little different than a soup. Maybe that works on a summer day. If you're cooking something in the oven and you have a little bit of extra space on the shelf, you could wash some sweet potatoes and put them on the racks and let them roast while you're using the oven for something else. And then you can enjoy those sweet potatoes as part of meals during the week, or you could even use them as a little bit of a snack to curb some hunger during the week as you need to. Or if you want to, if you have a dehydrator, you can even slice them and dry them and use those as a snack. And boy, are they sweet and really delicious that way. I suggest that you keep some frozen vegetables in the freezer. They're ready at a moment's notice to be used in all kinds of ways, in omelets or casseroles or soups or stir fries, steaming, stir steam, however you want to use them. They're there in a pinch. And you can even thaw some out and throw them into a salad. So you can do a lot with them, and that makes meal preparation faster and easier, quicker, saves a lot of time that way. When you're grocery shopping, I invite you to explore your produce department and just get experimental and daring and pick up something you've never tried before. You don't have to get huge amounts of it, even if it's just one of whatever it is. Give yourself an opportunity to try something new and expand your horizons. Hey, if you don't like it, at least you tried it. But if you do like it, you've got something new to add to your vegetable repertoire or fruit repertoire. You might also want to keep some assorted frozen fruit in your freezer as well. And especially this works if it's not in season. You can include them in smoothies, blend them into desserts or fruit puree. Thaw them and use them in whatever way that you possibly can. But that's another way to have some fruit readily available for you to use in a variety of ways. Now, if you know that you're going to be going off somewhere for the day and you know you're going to get a little bit hungry here and there, you could also have a snack pack that you pack with you in advance. It could be some fruit, it could be some vegetables that you've cut up, of whatever sort. It could be jicama, baby carrots, grape tomatoes, whole baby cucumbers, raw sugar snap peas are sweet and really delicious to chew on. There's snow peas that you can eat raw as well, celery sticks, bell pepper strips, grapes, plums, bananas, apples, pears, all kinds of things that you can use as finger food, that you can pack with you, that will keep well in a to-go bag. Plan ahead. It will save you from running to a convenience store and buying some sort of food that really won't benefit your health in any way, and it will take out in your pocketbook in a big way. So plan ahead. It will do you some good. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.